Hi nail fam, I hope that you are well. In today's video, I will be unboxing this gel polish kit that I received from Gellen. I will also be showing you a nail polish design using some of the gel polish colors.
The view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah. I like the view. I like the view.
So this is a 25 plus 3 gel polish collection, which means there are 25 colored gel polish in here. All of the bottles are colored, which gives an indication of what that color is. I thought that was a really nice touch. And there are also 3 additional bottles. Now, these bottles are 6 ml and they are numbered. They aren't in numerical order, so I will organize them a little bit. So let's take a quick look at what's included. So here we can see that this is the top coat. All right, and then we also should have a base coat as well as a matte top coat. Now, the matte top coat is in a different bottle. I'm not sure why, but that is how it looks. Now, let's take a look at the colored gel polish. We can see here that it is 6 ml. The color is all over the bottle. This is the back that has the directions, the caution, and the ingredients. And then at the bottom, there is a number. I'm not sure what that means, but the color number is at the top with a little sticker. Right, so before I get into the swatching of all of these gel polishes, I'm just gonna organize them in numerical order because I don't know, I just like to have things in order. Now let's get into the swatching. I have my coffin swatch sticks here that I got from Shein. I labeled all of them and put their numbers on. And now we're going to go ahead and start with that first one, which is 078. And this is a beautiful blue gel polish. I'm only going to swatch 1 or 2 of these on camera just to show you the consistency of the gel polish. And the remaining gel polishes I will kind of swatch off camera. Here's how it looks with just 1 coat after I've cured it for 60 seconds. So I want to see definitely how it looks with 2 coats applied. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat to the swatch stick just to show you what that opacity is. And then we're going to cure this under the UV lamp for about 60 seconds. Now in this collection, there are some glitter gel polishes as well. So I wanted to swatch one of these on camera just to give you an idea of what it looks like. And as you can see, this one here, it's definitely more of a clear glitter that has like hexagons and some fine glitter mixes in there. And it's pretty clear, so you probably won't see it. This probably would be good. This probably would look better on top of a colored gel polish than by itself. Are just about done swatching. I just have a few more, but these colors are absolutely beautiful. I love that this kit includes so many different colors. I wanted to quickly show you in the sunlight what those glitters and what the other colored gel polish looks like. They are absolutely beautiful and very unique. Here are all of the gorgeous colors after I have swatched them. Perfect for the spring and summer season. Most of these, except for that first one that I did, are just 1 coat. So definitely you will need 2 coats, but they are absolutely beautiful colors. Thank you again to Gellen for sending these products over to me to review and unbox for you guys. Now let's get into the nail design tutorial. So I applied my 2XL stiletto nails, full cover nails off camera and already filed and buffed. So now I'm going to go in with Gellen's base gel and I'm just going to apply it over the entire nail. And then I'm going to give it a cure under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. Once I am done curing, I'm going to go in with some gel polish nail design. So the first color that I am very curious to try is one of the glitter gel polish, because I feel like this one is a very unique glitter gel polish. There's like little speckles and shards, like they're irregular shaped glitter pieces in here, sequin pieces in here, and I thought it was just a really pretty color. And the fact that I already have like a nude gel polish on my natural nail, I felt like this little ombre situation was going to be the best nail design. So I'm applying this glitter to my thumb, and I'm also going to apply it to my ring finger. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to give it a cure under my UV lamp for 60. All right, so now let's move on to the other nails. I'm gonna grab 234, which is a beautiful pastel pink, and I'm going to apply this to my index finger as well as my pinky finger, and we are going to cover the entire nail with this color. Now, as I've mentioned, with the colored gel polishes, you will need to go in with at least 2 layers, possibly 3, according to your liking. And once I'm done, I will cure for 60 seconds in between each. I'm gonna use some glitter gel liners that I have, and I just want to say this, I ended up changing this nail design. I started off doing some swirls down the center of the nail, and I wasn't quite feeling it so much. I didn't think it really went with the nail design that I had in my mind. So I'm just showing that sometimes I do start off with one design and then I wipe that away and then I go in with another. So just like I said, I made a mistake. Sometimes it's not necessarily a mistake. It could just be that you're not feeling your nail design and you just want something a little bit more creative. So I'm just showing that I did start off with something and then I changed it. So I ended up doing like a French with some abstract lines on the nails, and then I wanted to add in some flowers and maybe some charms. I had the bows here, but I changed the bows and ended up using some silver flowers here, and I got these off of Shein as well. So here is a final look at how the nails turned out. Let me know what you think of this nail art design. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.